Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create animations and interactions with Wix Studio. This is a fantastic way to make your website more dynamic and engaging, capturing your visitors' attention with smooth, professional movements and effects. Let's dive right in and transform your static elements into eye-catching interactive features. First, you'll want to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear. From this drop-down, click on Website. This will take you to where all your site management options live. From here, you can see all the websites you have on your Wix account displayed before you. Take a moment to look through them and locate the specific website you wish to work with. Finding the right site is important because you want to ensure you're adding animations to the correct project. Once you've identified your website, locate the Edit Site button, which is typically beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway into the design and customization environment. Click on it to proceed to the next stage where all the magic happens. You will now be directed to the Wix Harmony Editor. This is where all your customization and design takes place, giving you complete control over how your website looks and behaves. The editor is intuitive and packed with features that allow you to bring your creative vision to life. From here, locate the element you wish to add an animation to. You have two options. You can either use an existing element already on your page or add a fresh one from the plus Add Element menu located on the top left corner of your screen. To make this tutorial more concise, we'll use an existing text block, but the process works the same for any element you choose. Click on the text block you wish to add animation to. Once it's selected, locate the Animate button on the top part of your screen and click on it. A sidebar will appear on your right side, revealing all the animation options available to you. This is where you'll define exactly how your element moves and interacts. From here, you can select the type of animation you wish this element to produce. You can choose from various sequences, starting with entrance effects and loop animations. Additionally, you can customize how this element behaves when scrolled into view and even add mouse effects that trigger when visitors hover over it. These options give you incredible flexibility to create truly unique interactions. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click on the Customize button to save the actions this element will perform. And that's it. You've successfully added animations and interactions to your Wix Studio website, making it more visually appealing and engaging for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.